Hey internet, today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you. If I sound a little bit weird, that's because I'm not feeling so well right now, but I really wanted to film this video. I actually have this video and another one to film, so you may see two videos of me not feeling very well, but I'm going to persevere. I have some tea with me, so hopefully that will get me through the video. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, is this November version, the Thanksgiving one? Ooh, I completely forgot that Thanksgiving is on the way, which, you know, for an Australian, that mostly just means the Black Friday sales, because in Australia we don't celebrate Thanksgiving. So I'll put this aside. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, nice, there's a calendar. I think this is like a desk calendar. Okay, so pretty sure that you squish this part down like so, probably a little bit more, yep, like that, so it's like it sits flat, and then yeah, then you just flip the days. That's so cool. Okay, so it's still, I think this is they're starting from September 2018, so it's still like September here. I think once you, oh, you can put notes on the other side as well if you want. I think I might start using this in the new year though. Yeah, it's January 2019. That's really cute and really handy. Definitely gonna keep that. And then we have some stickers. Oh, I love this character, Kodo. I actually follow the account on Instagram because I love looking at these pictures or drawings of the cat. Then we have, I think, oh, it's kind of like letters. It's like a really long letter, so you can write all this here. So it's Cat's room, write a note here, and then these are like the massive envelopes at the back. Oh, what's this? It's like a, ooh, it's like a little pouch. Let me open that up. It's literally like a little plushy pouch. Open it up here, you can put some stuff here. Probably not that much. It's not like a massive size, but yeah. And then, oh, I think this is candy. Yeah, it's kind of like a, oh, these look like bueno. I think that's how you say it. I always wonder if I butchered the pronunciation. But it looks like white chocolate with wafer in it. This looks really nice. And then we have a little onigiri pen. There you go. I probably won't test this because I always find like these sort of pens, which are very generic in quality. They're generally okay. Some of them skip, some of them don't. But like, this is not really a pen that you would use, at least not for me, on the daily. Put that aside. And then, ooh, this is like a little plushie. It's like a little squishy plushie. Yeah, it is kind of like an adorable little plushie. It's got like beans in it or something. From Sanrio. Love it, so cute. And then we have an eraser, a little bunny, and a little chicken, a little chick. And then, oh, not last item, I thought this was, it's like a little coin purse. And then the last one, I think it's like a post-it note of a girl. So, I think you could probably write on her dress. Awesome, so that's everything in this month's Kawaii Box unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. It seems really quick. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.